Hello students, I am Rajeshwar, your geography teacher. We were there on chapter number 8, climate, and we have discussed about the hot and dry season and hot and wet season. Now we are there on the retreat monsoon in the month of October and November. The southwest monsoon starts retreating from the northern India in early October, and the month of October and November are known for the retreat monsoon. The reason for the retreat of monsoon wind is there that the low pressure area over the Ganga become weak due to the southward movement of the sun. The low pressure is replaced by the high pressure in this region, and retreat monsoon is marked by the clear sky and drop in night temperature. Land remain moist. The combination of high temperature and humidity give rise to oppressive conditions or oppressive weather condition which are known as the October heat. Day temperature rise due to the clear sky in this region. The low pressure conditions are shifted over the Bay of Bengal by the early November, and this shift in the pressure is marked by cyclonic depression in this region, and these depression mix with the trade wind and they provide heavy rainfall to this region, especially in the states of Odisha and Tamil Nadu over the eastern coast. And sometimes rainfall is so much high or so much heavy that they cause loss to life and property in this region over the eastern coastal plain. Now, this is also known as the tropical depression or tropical cyclone in the Bay of Bengal, and they generally form between the 12 degree north to 17 degree north and travel to the west. And next is the October heat. We have already discussed that October heat marked by the clear cloudless sky, high temperature, high humidity, which provide this sultry and oppressive weather condition referred as the October heat. Next is the northeast monsoon season. This season commences by the end of November and continue till March. Clear sky are relatively clear and dry weather is there. Night temperature are low, especially in the North India, and days are pleasantly warm. The temperature in this region remain below 20 degrees Celsius, and in the upper part of Himalaya, in Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, temperature goes down. Temperature in the month of January, January is the coldest month. Temperature remain quite low during winter months over the Indian subcontinent. Temperature decreased to southward to north. Mean maximum temperature in the month of January at Trivandrum is as high as 31, at Calicut 26, Chennai 24, Varanasi 16, and Jammu 10 degrees Celsius. Night temperature in Gangetic Plain varies from 2.5 degrees Celsius to 17.5 degrees Celsius, and when we reach to the Dras sector, it it goes to minus 45 degrees Celsius. It is the coldest place in India, and the reason behind this excessive heat cold in the North India during this season is in the month of February the cold winds coming from the Caspian Sea and Turkmenistan bring cold wave over the northwestern part of India over this region. Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan experience continental type of climate as they are far away from the water body. Snowfall in nearby Himalaya region creates cold wave situation in this region. But the peninsular India, the average temperature lie between 20 to 25 degrees Celsius in this region. There is no well-defined cold weather season. The coastal areas hardly experience seasonal change in this region, and the distribution pattern of temperature due to the moderating influence of the sea and the nearness of equator is there. For example, the mean maximum temperature for month of June at Trivandrum is 29, and in the month of January is 31. Pressure condition, the weather in this season characterized by the high pressure condition over the northwestern part of India or northwestern part of this plain. This is because due to the oblique ray of the sun which reach the subcontinent as the sun moves to the southern hemisphere. In this, northeast trade winds prevail over the country. These winds blow from land to sea, and hence the most part of the country remain dry, or we can say this season is a dry season also. Next is the temperate cyclone. At that time, the cold weather season is the inflow of the depression from the western side, or we can say from the Mediterranean Sea, and this low pressure system which is formed here is known as the western disturbance, which originate actually over the West Asia region, and they are near the Mediterranean Sea. They travel eastward and they reach to Iran. And Pakistan, then they cross them and reach India during the winter season, and they provide rainfall to this region, which is much needed at that time, because in this rainfall, this winter rainfall is good for the Rabi season or for the Rabi crop. Rainfall, most part of India do not receive winter rainfall. Two regions are there, the northwestern region and the coast of Tamil Nadu receive winter rainfall. Less rest of the India receive rainfall at the time of summer season. Now the next is distribution of rainfall. Rainfall is determined by the certain feature, or by the certain condition, like the pressure condition and the direction of relief feature. Direction of relief feature also play important role, because in India most of the rainfall is the relief rainfall, and if the direction of relief is not in exact direction, like the Aravali is not in the direction of the southwest monsoon, that Aravali is there in the southwest direction, and the southwest monsoon they cross this region without shedding any moisture, because no obstacle, Aravali is not able to present any obstacle in front of these winds. After that, the direction of wind bearing moisture, cyclonic depression determined by the pressure and gradient. Now the areas are divided into a fall region, heavy rainfall region, moderate region, low rainfall region, scanty rainfall area. The area which receive more than 200 centimeter rainfall, like the windward side of the western Ghats and eastern India, lies in the heavy rainfall area. Moderate rainfall region, where the rainfall is between 200 centimeter to 100 centimeter, or you can say 100 centimeter to 200 centimeter, lie in this region. They are the northern part of Andhra Pradesh and the southern part of Tamil Nadu, middle Ganga Valley, and the some portion of the western Ghat and eastern Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh and Odisha. Next is the low rainfall area. In this, rainfall is 50 centimeter to 100 centimeter. Some parts of the Deccan Plateau and the eastern Rajasthan, Haryana, Punjab and Kashmir is the part of this low rainfall area. Then the scanty rainfall, in this region the rainfall is least, it is less than 50 centimeter. Desert and the semi-desert region are lie in this region. Now the feature of the Indian rainfall. Indian rainfall, near about 3 months are there, and rest of the area mostly dry. We can say 70% rainfall occur in 3 months, which are June, July, August, September are there, and rain is mostly relief type of rainfall, like rainfall is there in this region due to the Western Ghat, and in this region due to the Himalaya region. This is there, and the windward side of the relief got heavy rainfall, and leeward side of the relief got less rainfall. The rainfall cannot be predicted. Quantity and the time of the occurrence of rainfall cannot be predicted, as the rainfall is erratic. It becomes uncertain sometime. So sometime there is flood and sometime there is